Well, well, well. What do we have here? Principal of the year? Ugh, her face makes me sick. But I can fix that. Now her outside matches her inside. Artistic genius over here. Haha, who's in charge now, huh? Brilliant! I've done it again.
Done what again? That's not funny, okay? She doesn't deserve that. Oh no, hear that? She's coming! The principal!
I'm not the one with ink on my hands.
Oh no, this is bad.
Haha, wait, my hands are covered in ink too. I didn't think this through. Now what?
The lockers, now! She's coming! Come on, please. Get in.
Get in?
Don't question it. Move! Ever hear of ladies first?
Close it!
I smell trouble. My portrait? Who would do such a thing? Ugh, those rotten kids. Huh? That's odd. They didn't lock their stuff? These kids never learn.
Spider! Gross!
It's just cobwebs. Relax.
What is this place?
Pretty spacious, right?
I guess. Oh, is that a mouse? Help me!
A mouse? Seriously?
It's got teeth and stuff. Whatever.
Get it together. Cobwebs don't scare me. Get out of here. So many of them. Yuck.
What are you doing over there? Cleaning isn't the worst idea. In fact, I'll do more than clean. Ever hear of thinking outside the box and dirt? This place has some potential, I think.
Hey! Do you mind? I still have work to do. This should be the last of it. Oh, didn't see this piece. Is it stuck? I can't believe it. Just look.
You call that art?
It's me and the team.
I hate it here.
I love it. Hey, what's this? A memory box? No harm in a little snooping. What's in here? Whoa, jackpot! Just look at all this.
Huh? What the?
Sorry. Check it out. Noodles, my favorite. Smells ready. These things are cooked. Woohoo! Chopsticks, get in there. Just look at that steam.
You and your noodles.
Actually, I have a better idea. I love noodles so much, I'm taking things to the next level. Boom! Noodle explosion! Haha! I'll need bigger chopsticks though. How's that for wall art? You like?
That's crazy. And so unfair. What about me? Is it raining in here? Oh man, a storm's coming. Which isn't bad news. I love a good disaster. Just watch and learn, people. Shall we play a little game? I just need you a little closer. Haha! Yep, a little more. A little bit more. There, these clouds are pretty sick. Dark and gloomy is so my vibe. Unlike you. Hey, you smell that? Uh-oh, that's a little ripe. Yikes. Oh, thanks. Hold on, I got it. Yeah, jealous?
Kinda.
No peeking, okay? Wait, this is your color.
Yep.
Ooh, not this one. Too cheerful. Gross.
Hey, watch where you throw this stuff.
Don't be so dramatic. I've got the perfect solution.
Wait, I have an idea. This t-shirt is about to get a major glow up. Okay, perfect. See how it's a square now? Get rid of the scraps and move it on over here. Now we have to attach them. Good thing I paid attention in sewing class. In we go. This is gonna be awesome. Just a few more stitches. Okay, there. I did it, see? It's the perfect bedspread. I even made a pillow to match. You like? Super cozy. I love it. What do you think?
Huh? Oh, good job.
Okay.
Forget your weird patchwork. This is way more me. I may be dark, but I like to get cuddly too. Huh, what?
Nothing. I just want to add this. It's cute. According to me, at least.
Oh, I'll do you one better. Ta-da! That's much better.
Things are really coming together.
Just stick to your side, okay?
Not a problem, Jinu. I've got stuff to do over here, anyway.
Yeah, whatever, Rumi. Hey, come here for a sec.
What? You want this? Fine.
Got it. Thanks. And just like that, sort of celestial, don't you think? Goes great in here.
How'd you do that?
There's more. Look.
Wow, I could use something like that. Oh no, it's all broken. Bummer.
We can't all be as talented as me.
I guess. What about all this stuff? Things are looking up. I love all the colors. Just look how they flow in the wind. Like magic. Look, cool, right?
Not too bad. Oh, I need a rug. Really warms up the place. See?
A rug? Is there one under here? Or just a bunch of old cardboard? It's so cold and empty in here.
That's too bad. You know what? I'm not all bad. This should warm you up.
That's so nice. Maybe he does care.
Don't get used to it.
I know just what to do. When in doubt, braid it out. This will give things great texture. Just a few more to go. Just like doing my hair in the morning. There, we've got a braid, people. A big one. And just like that, it's a luxurious rug. Fantastic. So cushy, too. Impressed? It's just what I needed.
Yeah, obviously.
Hey, the sun is setting. It's nighttime already? Goodbye, light, and hello, darkness.
Yikes, I'll handle this. There!
Yeah?
Hello? Lights?
It's not working.
I can't feel my palms.
Anyway,
Let me think. We need light? Then I'll get us some light. Package incoming. Down here. Come on. Got it. Just wait.
is it good?
I'd say so.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Hey, you take it.
Really? Thanks. It'll go perfect by the bed. I could watch those stars for hours. And I will.
My pleasure. And I have one too. Just look how mesmerizing. Wait, that's it. Well,
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Especially my side.
mine too, Rumi.
It's so me.
And so is this.
It's just perfect.
You can say that again.
Nice work.
Ditto.
Wait, down here. A bunch of toys.
Let's see them.
It's an old school picture. But who is it?
Looks familiar. Oh my gosh. She's a lot younger, but it's her.
What?
She wears glasses now. It's the principal! Can you see it now?
This is her old stuff.
Annie, make me the happiest man in the world? Is that a yes? Oh no! No ring for me, I guess. Wait, I know. This hack will put a ring on your finger in no time. Pretty, isn't it? Now just glue it right on here. Problem solved. Will you marry me now? Again? I hope it fits. Wow! She said yes, people!
Oh, man! I missed setting the speedrun record! What? My keyboard! What happened to it?
My keys are all over the place! I totally ruined it! Oh, look at this letter W. Well, that's it. Get rid of it. I need to do something different to fix this problem. And now it's time to add some epoxy. I don't want to overfill it. That'll just cause problems. There! I filled all of them and now they're set. Now I can take them out. Ooh, look at how cute this is. Now I can put them on my keyboard, replacing my missing keys. Alright, I'm feeling pretty good about my new cute keyboard. Time to get back to my speedrun. Just gotta stretch. Rage! Come on, you can do it! Push harder! Faster! Wait! Woo! I did it! I set the record! My lucky keyboard was the key!
Hey, alright, good job. Here's a round of applause.
I'll start layering this polymer clay. And then I've got this red ball of clay too. Now I just need to roll it all up. Next up, I need this tool. Because I'm gonna slice into the clay. I need to be careful though. I don't want to smash it. Okay, I've got my 2 cuts all the way through. All I need is that little slice in the middle. Time to take my clay tool again. Because I need to cut the circle in half. Good. Let me just scoop up this little wedge. Now time to make another slice, like a pie. That's turning out really good. This'll do. Now I need to clear coat this clay piece. That's good, but this watermelon is missing its seeds. I'll just add these little black beads. They'll work nicely. But I don't just want seeds. I want a happy watermelon. There! He's got a happy little face now. So cute. Sunny, I made you a little something. Whoa! A little watermelon necklace! And matching earrings! They're so cute! I love them so much! Thank you!
How can Sunny drink so much from so many mugs? And she just leaves them wherever she is. On any surface. I'm exhausted. I've been cleaning non-stop.
Maybe there's something left to drink in her. Huh? An orange slice? Oh! Let me just set this on some plastic and then grab my glue gun. I'll draw a circle around the slice with the hot glue. It doesn't have to be perfect, because the fruit isn't perfect either. But I do want to make sure it's thick enough. Just a little bit more to make this ridge taller. And good! Now let's zazz this up. I'll add some golden glitter. It doesn't need to be a lot. I don't want to overwhelm it. And it's time to add the epoxy. I'll just pour it in. Gotta make sure I cover the orange slice too. And the glue ridge keeps the epoxy in place. And now that it's set, I can just peel it out of the mold. It's so pretty! But it's not done. Let me paint the edges. I'll use the sparkly gold paint. There we go. My coaster is finally finished. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! It turned out even better than I thought it would. Hold up! Make sure your mug sits on one of these coasters. Yep, I made it. And it's gonna help protect our furniture. Alright, now that that's done, I could use a snack. Wait a second. What the heck? Where did all these cups come from? Okay, these leggings totally work. I think my mermaid look is coming together. Oof, my hair is not working though. I need to fix this. Wait, what the heck? What happened to my comb? That's right, I came home from a mermaid stint. I took off my tail, which was a huge relief. My feet were freed, but that tail was kinda stinky. So I decided it needed a wash. Even mermaid tails need to be cleaned sometimes. And then since I was there, I threw in some other clothes too. Like my pink jeans. My jeans that had the comb in the pocket. And then I set the wash cycle. And I walked away, assuming everything was fine. Oh no! There's gotta be something I can do though, right? I think so. Let me give it a try and see. The holder is still, well, a comb shape, so let me sprinkle some gold leaf on it. And now let me pour some epoxy on it. It's totally working as a mold. I don't want the whole thing filled with clear epoxy though, so this is enough. Now let me add this greenish color too. There, that should be enough. Gotta let it set now. Okay, it's ready to go. I hope it worked. Wow! It totally did work! And look at how cute it turned out! Okay, let's give this a try and see if it'll work to tame these locks. Ooh, it's definitely working like my old comb. Okay, this is now my favorite comb for sure. Oh look, you're still trying to be a better mermaid than me? I am a better mermaid than you, says my new mermaid comb. You got a dumb fork, huh? Ugh, I deserve that comb more than you! That's right, run away!
Alright, I was watching this video. I forgot. She was molding her face or something. I'll play it.
Alright, it's set. Please take it off me now. Ugh, it feels good to be able to blink again. Okay, so that's the mold. Let me pour in the epoxy now.
I chose this red color because why not? It's cool. Ooh, look at it filling up the mold. And now, of course, it has to set, too. It's done. Let me pop it out of the mold. Oh, wow. That turned out really cool. I'll just add this to the art display, because it definitely belongs there. Hey, Cheryl! This one looks a lot like you! Would you make a mold of your face? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.